In last lecture, we have already discussed about quadratic equation means what, and after that we have seen the standard form of quadratic equation, and already we have understood that how to identify given equation is a quadratic equation or not. Now in this video we are going to start roots of quadratic equation means what. Okay, so concentrate here and try to understand. In previous class you have studied that if the value of polynomial is 0 for x is equal to a, then x minus a is a factor of that polynomial. We have seen all these things in a polynomial in previous class. That is, if p of x is a polynomial and p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. That means you have to simply understand if a value of given variable, or if we put any value at the place of variable, so that time if both the sides are equal or if both the sides are 0, then we can say that the value of that variable is a root of given equation or is a solution of given equation. Try to understand by using example and concentrate here. Now equation is given here, x square plus 5x minus 6. Okay, now when we put x is equal to minus 6 in this equation, when we put x is equal to minus 6 in this equation, so what will happen? Concentrate here, x minus 6 square plus 5 into minus 6 means just we have to put minus 6 at the place of x. Then what will happen? So what is the square of minus 6? Plus 36. Then 5 into minus 6 minus 30 and minus 6 as it is. So 36 minus 30 minus 6 is equal to 0. That means both the side are 0. Why? Because 36 minus 30 minus 6 and 36 minus 36 and 6 minus 6 is 0. That means both the sides are 0, both the sides are equal. So when we put x is equals to minus 6 in this equation, so this equation getting satisfied. Okay, both the sides are equal to 0. That's why we can say that x is equal to minus 6 is a solution of the equation, or x is equals to minus 6 is the root of the given quadratic equation. Got it? Root means what? If we put that value at the place of variable and both the sides are equal to 0, then and then only we can say that that value of variable is root of given quadratic equation or solution of that quadratic equation. Concentrate here, when we put x is equals to 2 in same equation, the equation is same, x square plus 5x minus 6. So x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 2 square plus is equal to 2 square plus 5 into 2 minus 6, that is 4 plus 10 minus 6. So 4 plus 10 minus 6 is 8, and 8 is not equal to 0. That means we can say that for x is equals to 2, given equation is not satisfying. Both sides are not getting equal. That's why x is equal to 2 is not root of given quadratic equation, or this is not solution of given quadratic equation. Got it? Roots of quadratic equation or solution of quadratic equation means what? If we put that value at the place of variable and by using that value both the sides are equal, or if both the sides are 0, then and then only we can say that given value of that variable is solution of given quadratic equation. Okay, one example is given here. What is given in this example? Concentrate here, 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equals to 0. Check whether x is equal to 3 by 2 and second x is equals to minus 2 are a solution of the equation or not. So what we have to do, we have to just check here, given values of variable are solution of given quadratic equation or not. So simply what we have to do, first time we have to put x is equals to 3 by 2 in given equation. That means we have to put 3 by 2 at the place of x, and second time we have to put x is equals to minus 2, means simply we have to put minus 2 at the place of x, and we have to check that both the sides are equal or not. If both the sides are equal, then and then only we can say that given value is a root of given quadratic equation or solution of given quadratic equation. So let's start. What is the equation? 2x square minus 7x plus 6. So what is the value of x here? We have to put, firstly we have to check first value of variable is solution of given quadratic equation or not. So we have to put x is equals to 3 by 2, means at the place of x we have to put 3 by 2. So equation 2x square minus 7x plus 6. So 2 at the place of x we have to put 3 by 2 whole square minus 7 as it is at the place of x 3 by 2 plus 6. Okay, next then 2 into, what is the square of 3 by 2? 2 into square of 3 by 2 is 9 by 4 minus 7 into 3 by 2, that is 7 by 1 into 3 by 2, that is 21 by 2 plus 6. Okay, and when we solve this equation, so what will happen here? We are getting both the sides are equal to 0. That means 9 by 2 minus 21 by 2 plus 12 by 2. So 9 by 2 minus 21 by 2 minus 12 by 2, and minus 12 by 2 plus 12 by 2 will become 0. So that's why we can say that x is equals to 3 by 2 is a solution of the equation. So in this way, just you have to put the value at the place of variable and you have to check the equations are satisfying or not. If equations are satisfying for that value, that means that value is a solution of given quadratic equation. So in this way you have to check given values of variable are a solution of quadratic equation or roots of quadratic equation or not. That's it.